Hello and welcome to another one of our special videos. Again, we are looking at one of the three averages, and today our focus is on the mean. So, as with the others, let's start with what it actually means. Well, the mean is quite often referred to simply as the average. But as we've seen, there are in fact three different averages. So how do we show this one as being different? Well, the only real way to do it is to actually explain what you have to do to find the mean. So, as you can see, simply you add them all up, so all of the numbers that you are given, you add them all up, and then you divide by how many you have. So it's the only one of the averages that involves calculations, which is why it's quite often referred to simply as the average. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got some numbers. We've got 4, 5, 8, 4, 3, 7, 6. So we're going to add them up. We're not putting the numbers in order. We're simply going to add them up. So let's add 4, 5 makes 9. Add on the 8, we've got 17. Keep adding them up. So of course this is being done without a calculator, but obviously if you get to this point, a calculator can be useful for you to do, especially if you're going to check. But once you have your total, you've got to remember that that is now about division. So we're going to add up the numbers. We've got 37, and now we have to divide by how many we have. So what are we going to divide by? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, so we divide by 7. So how do I write 37 divided by 7? I haven't got a calculator in my hand, so what I could do is just write 37 over 7. A fraction is the same as division. Now we're going to simplify. Okay, so there are 5 7s in 37 with 2 left over, which is why we've got 5 and 2 7s. Okay, let's try another one. 19. Bigger numbers: 32, 41, 56, 38 and 25. Again, you might find a calculator would be beneficial at this point, but let's see how we get on. Let's add those together. 19 and 31. Yep, and then add the 41. Keep a running total. Add 56. There we go. Then we've got to add on the 38, and we're keeping this nice and organised, crossing out the previous total so that we don't get ourselves confused, and add on the last number, the 25, and we have 211. So we've done the difficult part, if you like. We've added up all the numbers. We've taken all the numbers we've got, we've added them up, and now we have to divide by how many? This time we have got 6. So remember what I said last time, you can write a division as a fraction. Now this one isn't as simple as the last one, but how am I going to find out how many 6s are in 211? I see, let's do a bus stop short division. How many 6s in 2? No, you can't get any of those. Let's carry that 2 across. 6s in 21? 3. So we need to carry the 3 across. That's it. And how many 6s in 31? That's going to be 5. And of course there will be 1 left over. So how does that relate to the fraction? Well, we've now got 35 as our answer, with the remainder of 1 as 1/6.